Oh, good girl.
Come on, pretty girl.
Look at this, Pixie's got the knack. Whoops.
Ah, there you go.
Good girl.
Keep the wall out.
Now then, Pippin and Sparrow are struggling a wee bit, but they're managing. There you go.
Make a base camp.
Good boy. Whoops.
Lou's
Another
already at
boy.
base camp.
Come on then.
Oh, actually, it's more the summit. So.
Come on then, Pixie. Pippin, you mean? I'll get it right in a minute. Come on, Pixie. Good girl.
Just one step forward and 2 steps back.
Good girl. Yay. Good boy.
There you go.
State of my stairs.
Lou's just gone into the room. I'm not really wrong with it.
Hello, Molly.
Good girl. Oh, look how clever they are. Hey, Molly. Come on. No, she's coming. They're coming.
They're going to go back down again, aren't
They are. They're just... Oh, no. She's decided to turn around. On you go. Onwards and upwards, so to speak. Whoops. Silly sausage.
Yeah, Lou had a habit of getting to the top of the stair, turning around and scratching herself and falling off.
Go on then, up the stairs. Go on. Oops. One more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, let's go back the way, shall we? Tell you what, shall I give you a hand on that one? And there we go. There we go. Little hand. There we go. Right. Come on. Turn the corner. There's Daddy sitting there with things hanging out ready for the video. There you are. Come on. No. I think... Right, okay, this might take some time.
Yeah, we will film
Are you all a wee bit stressed there?